Is the new Chinese car service company in Ferry, or better yet 6 Miles, Jamaica, bad for Jamaica or good for Jamaica? What are your thoughts? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If this is your first time here, this is just a thought. Alright, so can I invite you to watch this video to the end and share your thoughts in the comment section? Let's have a talk. Guess what? A quiet buzz is growing in 6 Miles, and that is Kingston. And guess what? It is all about the new player in the Jamaica's auto repair service, and that is WH Car Service. I think it means wholehearted car service. Located at 16 Ferry Pen Service Road, right beside Tropical Battery. WH Car Service has quickly made a name for itself among Jamaican drivers. In just 2 short months, they've serviced over 1,000 vehicles, attracting people from as far as Portmore, St. Catherine, and even St. Anne. Why the excitement though? Customers say it's simple: honesty, speed, and affordability. With 10 experienced Chinese mechanics, WH Car Service promises quick and efficient service that has many Jamaicans breathing a sigh of relief. If you have ever visited that new Chinese garage, can I ask you to share in the comment section? Alright, so in fact, the demand is so high, WH Car Service had to introduce a daily limit of 30 vehicles. Yet, Jamaicans are willing to wake up early to secure a spot. I've seen some videos on TikTok, persons are there even from 3 a.m. in the morning, my God. Of course, with rapid growth comes attention. The government stepped in to ensure everything is above board, from labor permits to workplace safety. Guess what? Minor breaches were found, but the company is working closely with the authorities to meet all requirements and continue serving Jamaicans. Managing Director Ming Jing Cheng is clear: WH Car Service is not here to take away jobs from Jamaican mechanics, but to work together, share knowledge, and raise the standard of service across the island. He says plans are already in place to hire and train local talents, blending experience from China with Jamaican resilience and skill. Now look at this. At the end of the day, he says, WH Car Service brings something fresh to Jamaica's auto world: faster service, reliable repairs, and a new opportunity for collaboration, not competition. Because when service gets better for all Jamaicans, everybody wins. No, my viewers and subscribers, what are your thoughts on this? Have you been to this Chinese place? And if you have not been there as yet, do you plan to go just to get the experience? I've seen many videos and I'm hearing a lot of reviews, and persons are getting a sigh of relief. They are saying, boy, thank God for this Chinese car service company, because we are getting proper service, good price. They spoke of the environment. They said the AC, it's welcoming. You have good seating area, good bathroom, good everything. There was a time when I did a video as it relates to fixing the roads, and the video is on the channel, where I said, boy, it better if we give the Chinese all the road contracts, especially the patching, because they were doing a more better job, in patching the roads, in fixing the roads, not patching, in fixing the roads. And I think if they get the contract for patching, they will do the same. And so I am now seeing where persons are saying that this is a sigh of relief in the automotive arena. This is a relief in terms of persons getting better servicing for their cars, better parts, better everything. Can you tell me what has been your experience? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If this is good for Jamaica, if this is bad for Jamaica, and the way forward. Alright? Thanks for watching. Until our next video, do take care.